If you're sick and tired of struggling, and ads not working, and them not scaling, and they're just not making sense,
I'm f***ing confused, bro.
if you've ever wondered how to get better results without relying on guesswork or luck, then this is for you.
I got you, homie.
Hello everyone and welcome back to 5 Minute Friday, and today we're going to be breaking down flexible ads or dynamic creative and why they're the smartest ads for you to be running inside of your Facebook ad account. Now, before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much. These 5 Minute Friday videos have been blowing up the channel. And if you like this video, go ahead and like this video. And if you're one of the 65% of people who are binging these 5 Minute Fridays and have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any others. And with that being said, let's throw 5 minutes on the clock and get started. So first, let's focus on the problem with guessing in your ads. When you build ads manually, you're guessing which copy goes with which creative and which headline goes with which video, and ultimately, that's not how Facebook's AI was designed to work.
Stop it. Get some help.
If you create 12 ads, each one of them is collecting data independently. This means each ad is 12 times dumber than one ad could be because each one is learning less. Here's the truth nobody will tell you. Whether an ad wins or loses early is almost exclusively dependent on random distribution within the first few thousand impressions. More ads means less data per ad, which ultimately means you're leveraging luck a lot more than machine learning and not seeing the success that you deserve. This is where flexible ads come in. This is Facebook's dynamic creative, or now called flexible ads. You can give the machine a few choices at copy and creative, and it will do all the hard work for you. Instead of guessing with 12 individual ads, you can create one dynamic ad that tests all the possible combinations. And here, every impression makes all of the ads smarter. And that's really the trick. Instead of all of your data going into many little buckets, all of it goes into one big one, and that one is a lot smarter.
What?
So for example, in a 3-2-2 ad, that creates 12 possible combinations. You can either create 12 individual ads that all more or less rely on luck and guessing, or create one 3-2-2 ad that leverages all of the data and only ever gets smarter and only ever gets better. For instance, with a 3-2-2 ad, there are 12 total possible combinations. Now you could either make 12 individual, far dumber ads that all rely on luck, or one really smart ad that leverages machine learning and only ever gets better. So what's the best practice for a flexible ad? To get the best results with your flexible ad, here's what you need to do. Start with a single 3-2-2 ad per ad set. That's 3 creatives, 2 primary texts, and 2 headlines. This gives Facebook's AI 12 possible combinations to test and optimize for you. Next, set up 2 ad sets in an A/B test with different versions of the same concept. And third, add an additional ad set with all of your proven post IDs. This gives your CBO campaign a stable control group and allows the other ad sets to focus on testing. This setup allows Facebook ads to execute the scientific method for you, eliminating the guesswork and luck that you've previously been relying on and giving you the success that you know you deserve.
Nice job, team.
So what are the benefits of flexible ads? Flexible ads give you smarter, more stable results. By leveraging Facebook's machine learning, you're able to show the best ad to the best person at the best time to give you the best results that are ultimately far more stable, far more scalable, and far more trustworthy. This removes all of the guesswork and saves you tons of time and frustration.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
You're no longer going to be relying on luck or constantly launching a bunch of new ads that all cannibalize each other and make the machine almost completely impossible to manage. So let's talk about why flexible ads work long term. I've been using flexible ads, or previously they were called dynamic creative, for over 5 years now. And every single time that I try to test them up against the manual effort of guesswork, flexible ads win. Every single time. The results don't even come close. Think of it this way. If you rely on guesswork, where you are predicting the right copy with the right headline and the right creative, you have to be right 100% of the time, every single day. That's ridiculous. Or you could spend your time doing far more important tasks and let the machine do all the hard work for you. And honestly, it'll probably beat you anyway.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
With flexible ads, you're designing a smarter campaign that is more efficient and easier to manage. Plus, it gives you a lot more time and confidence back to see the success that you deserve.
That was easy.
If you haven't used flexible ads yet, this is your sign to start. And if you want to know more about 322 ads, I have a great video that I'm going to link right up there for you to check out. If this video gave you value, go ahead and hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any other 5-Minute Fridays or any of the other videos that we're doing here. And please drop your questions in the comment section below and join us every Friday at noon Pacific Standard Time on YouTube for our lives and join in our conversations so that you can get feedback in real time and stay up to date. Not with what everybody's talking about, but what they're going to talk about in a couple months or a couple years. With that being said, thank you so much, and until next time, I'll see you on the internet. Bye!
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?